finally, to Small Talks and Big Bangs, a show about space. I'm your host, Zombie, and yes, I am finally back after a long hiatus that I took after making one video. I really don't get how YouTubing works, do I? Anyways, I'm really excited because I have more content planned, but let's get into today's topic. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about the Hubble Space Telescope. The Hubble Space Telescope is a telescope, in case you didn't know. Telescopes have existed in many shapes and sizes, ranging from smaller handheld telescopes to huge observatories, like this one. Galileo was the first to point a telescope to the stars during the 17th century. However, these telescopes could only be used from the ground, even the biggest ones on the tallest hills. As astronomers tried to peer into the sky to study galaxies, both our own Milky Way and others, it was realized that Earth's atmosphere, or the layer of gas, air, and dust that acts like a blanket around Earth, made things look blurry. The Hubble Space Telescope was the first to be placed in space, so it allowed a view of the universe that was bigger than ever before. So, with inspiration from some men named Hermann Oberth and Lyman Spitzer, NASA got to work on the LST, the Large Space Telescope. However, we needed something to get it into space and drop it off. Enter the Space Shuttle. The Hubble telescope was taken to space by the Space Shuttle Discovery on April 24, 1990. The telescope was designed so it could fit snugly inside the Space Shuttle's cargo bay. After the Hubble Space Telescope was placed into Earth's orbit, the Space Shuttle came back down home and was reused for other missions. The special thing about the Hubble Space Telescope was that to fix it when certain parts of it broke, they would have servicing missions. In other words, NASA would send astronauts into space to fix it instead of bringing the telescope back down to Earth. There is a movie about these actually. It's called Hubble, or Hubble IMAX 3D. It's a good watch. The Hubble Space Telescope was named after Edwin Hubble, an American astronomer. Essentially, he used a really big telescope to discover that there are more galaxies than just the Milky Way in the universe, and they're all moving away from each other. We won't open that box right now, though, because I might faint if we do. Since it was put in orbit in April of 1990, Hubble has been taking awesome pictures and making fascinating observations. Yeah, it's still up there. And its 30th anniversary was just this April. One of its most famous images was taken of the Eagle Nebula. I'm not even going to try to draw that. It's photographed galaxy clusters and even a cosmic reef of baby stars being created. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video or you learned a little something, please give it a like and leave in the comments any questions you might have or any ideas you have for other videos. And thank you so much for watching again. I really appreciate every single view I get. And we'll see you next time. Editor me would like to say sorry about the wind.